Come explore beautiful Anna Maria Island off the west coast of Florida, a barrier island that's just south of Tampa Bay. It's a beautiful spot with lots of things to see and do. Come check it out. We started our trip with the night in Bradenton after a 7-hour drive from our home in Atlanta. At the Spring Hill Suites, right on the river. Bradenton turned out to be a good spot to kick off our trip. We really enjoyed the rooftop bar, with good food and craft beers, and a panoramic sunset view. The lighted seating added a special touch. Good morning. We started our trip. We stopped in Bradenton last night, and we're headed over to Anna Maria Island this morning, so pretty excited. For our first trip to the island, we stayed on Holmes Beach, one of the 3 cities on the island, along with Bradenton Beach and Anna Maria, where we stayed at the Waterline Resort and MarinaI on the east side of the island. They had well-appointed 2-bedroom suites, which were laid out like a condo. We'll show you more of the property a little bit later. Beautiful white-sanded Manatee Beach was a short walk away from our hotel. The water is crystal clear and nature is abundant. Our first dinner was a short walk away at the Ugly Grouper, one of our favorite spots with good food and drinks and live music, all in an outdoor setting. Here's the fan by the grouper. After dinner, we drove down to Cortez Beach in the city of Bradenton Beach for one of the famed West Florida sunset. We enjoyed watching the stand-up paddleboarders surf the waves and caught some great shots of the setting sun. That's my son and daughter. We grabbed some sandwiches from Scotty's Deli and headed to the beach. We spent another day at Manatee Beach, whose fine white sand didn't get very hot to the touch, although the sand is even finer at the 2 ends of the island. Our beach neighbors made this impressive sand beer pong table. After the beach, we stopped at Tide Tables restaurant just across the water in Cortez for some excellent seafood and well-priced drinks, with a little nature to boot. Definitely worth the short trip off the island. Our dinner stop was the Wicked Cantina just across the street from the beach in Bradenton Beach. What's not to like with outdoor seating, solid food, and a view of the sunset over the water? We enjoyed their Mexican food, but they also had a varied menu, with burgers and seafood as well. To be fair, they lost our dinner ticket, resulting in a much delayed meal, but they ended up comping the meal and a round of drinks, so not much to complain. I took my drone for a spin at spectacular Longboat Pass on the south end of Anna Maria Island, a recommended spot. With its beautiful white sand beaches, crystal clear blue-green waters, and many boats headed in and out of the pass. To the right is Longboat Key and Beer Can Island. The Longboat Pass Bridge connects Longboat Key on the south to Anna Maria Island on the north. That's Coquina Beach looking north on Anna Maria Island. We'll visit there later. The area is a boater's paradise, with many captains available to take you out for a day on the water, with deep sea fishing being the most popular activity, but options include hanging out on a deserted beach or searching for dolphins and manatees, or all of the above. Shorter tours of 2 to 3 hours are available to get a chance to get out on the water. Beer Can Island just across the bridge, a popular Instagram spot. And Coquina Beach from above, one of the best on the island. Look close and you can see the waves crashing into breakwater. All I can say is wow. If you're visiting Anna Maria Island, don't miss Longboat Pass. And check out the drawbridge that lets the taller boats through. It was cool to catch it closing. The Anna Maria Island groups on Facebook were helpful for planning the trip. A lot of great recommendations. Although I didn't know it at the time, I was lucky enough to catch this pair of stingrays swimming in the pass. Let's take a tour of the Waterline Resort, a Marriott Autograph Collection property. The property is on the Tampa Bay side of the island, with the marina providing access to the bay and to the Gulf beyond. rooms are really nice, with cool details like the Waterline logo on the table, and the pool views overlook the water. Groups of pelicans and other waterfowl hung out at the mouth of the marina, providing me a chance to feel like a wildlife photographer. One of the coolest spots in the area is Bradenton Beach on the north end of the island. They've kept a big swath of dune grass, and the buildings are set well back from the beach, which gives you a feeling like you're in an isolated spot. Some boaters drop anchor to enjoy a day at this beautiful beach. As you can see, the entire point area is undeveloped and natural. We stopped at Popo's Taqueria for some fresh Mexican food for our beach picnic. Ginny and Jane's is another nearby good option. Bean Point is a must-stop spot on Anna Maria Island. It's a local secret that provides the most breathtaking views on a pristine beach. Named for the first permanent resident of Anna Maria Island, Bean Point is located on a secluded stretch of beach at the northern end of what was once Bean's original homesteading property. There's very little parking and only a few public access points, so the area feels very much off the beaten path. Be sure to Google getting to Bean Point before you go, as getting to there can be a bit tricky. Lots of shorebirds provide entertainment as they search for food and fight each other for territory, or stalk the fishermen. The views are amazing, the water is inviting, and the atmosphere is relaxed and serene. Make sure you head north to the point so you don't miss these spectacular views, including the Sunshine Skyway Bridge. So head over to Bean Point and capture a quiet beach moment or a breathtaking sunset, and enjoy one of the most relaxing spots on an island known for its relaxation. Nearby Bean Point is the famous Sandbar restaurant, an epic spot on the beach, which is perfect for watching the sunset while enjoying food and drinks. My sister even got engaged here 30 years ago. The Rod and Reel Pier is an Anna Maria institution since 1947 on the Tampa Bay side of the island. You stop by this high-end marina with big boats and big trucks that pull them, while touches of old Florida abound on the island. We lucked out to see this group of manatees hanging out by the shore. Apparently it's mating season. A number of the hotel guests brought their boats on trailers and berthed them in the marina to enjoy the time on the water. This boat is returning to the marina after a day of fun on the water. After dinner at Isabella Italian Restaurant, we headed to the beach to enjoy a sunset. And I flew my drone as the lights started to turn on and the last rays of the sunset filled the sky. Our last lunch was at Skinny's Place, a local institution since 1952. Be sure to bring cash. What a classic place with old Florida vibes all over. Eat at one of the shaded picnic tables outside. Much of the drive from Bradenton Beach to Coquina Beach is right along the water. Another can't-miss spot is Coquina Beach on the south end of the island, where the rusty breakwater makes for some cool shots, with views towards Beer Can Island. There's plenty of parking and lots of space to spread out. We brought some beach umbrellas to stay out of the brutal sun. We spent a lot of time floating in the water, which was extremely comfortable. Like Dean Point, the sand is soft and white and doesn't get hot. Our final dinner was at the Beach House restaurant in Bradenton Beach, a recommended spot right on the water. One of the nicest meals we had. What a beautiful setting. I took one last sunset drone flight. I love the way the sunset reflects on the windows. Be sure you plan your day so you have a good spot to watch the Anna Maria Island sunset. The highlight of many days on AMI, and it's an island tradition to celebrate. Sandbar gives away a bottle of champagne every night for the person who guesses the closest time to the sunset. If you like laid-back beach towns with your toes in the sand and a cocktail in your hand, a guy strumming on his guitar, and picturesque sceneries with some of the prettiest beaches around, Anna Maria Island is your spot. Did I mention the sunsets? Goodbye, Anna Maria Island. You will be missed, and we'll be back someday. Click that Bob Shots button on the left to subscribe now, and join us for more of our travels around the world.